Welcome back everybody. I got a slightly shorter one for you today. I'm going to show you how to turn sights like this into sights like this. Let's get to it. This project's going to start off with a bright, long-lasting glow paint from a company called Aquaris. I found this on Amazon. Went with the bright aqua color. I liked it more than the other options, but they do have a few other options if you guys don't like this color. So yeah, we're just going to start off, dab it on there with a paintbrush. In this case, I just thought it'd be fun to throw it on my old Halo Magnum. This prop is in pretty rough shape, but thought it'd be a fun little addition. Now we'll just throw a second coat on there real quick. There we go. Now that we have our 2 coats of paint on there, we're going to charge them up. This LED light that I have on it right now isn't going to do much, so I'm going to use my 3M sun gun to give it a quick charge. This isn't necessary. You can do it under a normal incandescent light or just stick it outside in the sun. A UV flashlight would also work very well. In this case, I'm just going to blast her up to just get it going quickly so I can show you guys. Alright, and you guys can see a little bit of a glow there right now. Let's turn the light off. That's not too bad, hey? While it wasn't too bad, I figured we could make it a little bit better as well. I decided to do a 3rd coat on there, just dabbed it on, tried to make it a little bit thicker than I initially did in my first 2 coats. Here we are with 3 coats on. It's a little more even now. Let's go into the dark room. Alright, so it's pitch black in here. There's no other light sources. That is neat. As you can see, there's still a minor glow where there is light, which isn't too bad. Now on my Magnum I was putting everything onto a flat surface. If I had thought ahead or planned ahead, I could have made it more like a real sight and actually had recesses to put my paint in. So I decided to test that out here real quick just with a scrap piece of foam, just dabbing it right into the holes. And I found that it worked a little bit better if you just overfilled them and wiped off the excess. After testing this on a few small projects, I found that you get that really intense glow for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it just slowly dies down, but you do get a few hours of a nice dull glow out of it. For the sake of science, I decided to wire up a UV LED and see if that would work, and it worked remarkably well. So I could definitely see if you wanted to try to build a holster with a couple UV LED lights to just keep everything charged. I think that would work really well. Have to give that a try on a future project. Thanks for joining me again today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please consider hitting that subscribe button and you'll get notified of my future videos. We'll see you next time.